Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both sources ready. The primary video you want full screen and the secondary clip for the inset. Open your recording or streaming software and create two input sources. Label them clearly. Make sure canvas resolution matches your final export, for example 1920 by 1080, and check audio routing so both sources can be mixed. Once set, position the primary source to fill the canvas and preview before moving on to layering the inset, so there are no surprises. Now you add the picture-in-picture layer and adjust its size and placement. Drag the secondary source onto the canvas, then scale it down to roughly 1/5 to 1/3 of the width depending on emphasis. Maintain aspect ratio to avoid distortion. Position it in a non-obstructive corner and apply a thin border or subtle shadow so it separates from the main video. Make sure audio levels are balanced between sources and use transitions or fades if you want smooth appearance and disappearance during edits. Finish by reviewing the composite playback from start to end and verifying audio sync and levels. Render with the appropriate settings. Choose MP4H, 264 and an 8 to 12 Mbps bitrate for 1080p or higher if you need better quality. Once exported, inspect the final file for artifacts. If the picture-in-picture stutters or frame drops, generate proxy files, reduce preview resolution during editing, or re-encode the inset source. Those fixes usually resolve performance hiccups without changing your composition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.